If you're anything like me, it can be really hard to find a gift that actually feels meaningful, especially for birthdays, anniversaries, and special milestones. I swear I'm the worst gift giver. I can't ever think of anything that is meaningful. Flowers and gift cards are nice, but sometimes you just want something a little bit more personal, something that really captures memories. So today I'm sharing the Arzopa D14 digital picture frame, and honestly this might be the most thoughtful gift that I've found for someone that you love, because it keeps your favorite moments in one place and helps you stay connected every single day. I'm going to show you how it works, how easy the setup is, and why it's such a special gift. First, let's talk about the design and how this is something that you're actually going to want to be displayed in your home. The Arzopa D14 features a 14-inch anti-glare IPS screen, so the photos look bright, clear, and sharp from every angle without any harsh reflections. The premium metal frame gives a clean and modern look, so it will blend in perfectly with your decor at your home, whether it's on a console table, a nightstand, or a shelf. It also has a touchscreen, so you can swipe through the images, you can like the images, and it makes it just really easy to navigate. One of the coolest features, especially if it's for a birthday or anniversary, is the surprise setup feature. Before the person even opens the frame, you can scan the QR code on the box and preload photos, videos, and even a personal message through the app. Then when they plug it in and connect it to Wi-Fi for the first time, the frame automatically plays the special gift animation with all of your memories already loaded. It makes that moment feel really thoughtful and personal, like you created something just for them. Another feature I love is how easy it is to share new memories instantly. You just take a photo on your phone, upload it through the app, and it instantly appears on the screen no matter where you are. So if you're traveling or celebrating something special or just want to share a quick life update, they will see it immediately. It's such a sweet way to stay connected with someone that you don't see every day. What makes this frame super unique is that it works almost as a private family photo feed. Multiple people can upload pictures, and you can double tap to like photos directly on the frame, and the comments will scroll across the screen. So it feels interactive and shared, and not just like a slideshow, but something that everyone can be a part of. It's especially nice for families and couples that want to keep memories all in the same place. The frame also offers unlimited cloud storage for photos, and it supports videos up to 2 minutes long. You can create custom playlists like vacations, anniversaries, or special events, and organize everything right on the app. If you prefer, you can also manage your files using an SD card or on your computer. There are thoughtful features too, like the nighttime sleep mode, so that the screen will turn off whenever you're not using it. Overall, I love gifts that feel personal and lasting. This is definitely a gift that somebody will use and appreciate every day. It's simple to set up, it's beautiful in your home, it's such a meaningful way to keep memories close. If you're thinking for a thoughtful gift for a birthday, anniversary, or a special occasion, I'll have the link to the Arzopa D14 down in the description below so you can check it out. So if you have any questions on how it works, feel free to leave the question in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for watching.